Welcome to another MSM video. Thank you for watching. This one's all about Peter and I spending our day out on Saturday at the LMRCC Scalecrawler Comp Association SAF Day. A day where we got out and we celebrated everything scale about the RC crawler hobby. We had scale trails up at the Rock Den, we had scale accessories built by members of the LMRCC, and we did everything in miniature. We drove our trucks, we tackled obstacles, we drove them at scale speeds, and if anybody had a mishap, we would use scale winches and tow ropes. Like I said, just doing everything in miniature, taking videos, taking photos, and all around just having a really great day with our buddies out on the trails. Peter had his Element Trail Runner, I had my Sendero SE, and through sun, rain, hail, we had an awesome day, and so I thought I'd cook up a quick little video here and give you some footage of our trucks and some footage of some of the other trucks that members brought out, and show you the diversity of the scale trails up at the Rock Den. We've got it all. We've got rock, we've got dirt, we've got beautiful lush green trails out in the forest. Lots of great trucks, lots of good times, just a really enjoyable day out. So thanks to all the people that made it happen. We had a killer day, we had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, subscribe, and enjoy.